Hello and welcome, fifth grade scholars. We are in math. I'm Mr. Guerra. Today is Tuesday, May 18th, 2021. And let's get started to our joy moment or my joy moment here. I'm going to be looking at the joy moment in a second here. And my wife and I have been discussing where we're going to be going in Florida. One of the things I suggested to her is that we stay at either Sanibel or Captiva Islands. Both very nice islands to stay in. Captiva is a little bit more remote than is Sanibel, but I haven't been in a couple of years, and they tell me it's really building up, getting a lot of resorts like this here. These are the islands where you can still find huge sand dollars, conch shells. You can still find active starfish every single morning if you get up early. It's great fishing and swimming. I know I'm going to have fun there. I hope to see you there. We are still studying for our STAR test. Make sure that you know your input-output tables, your X and Y axis. X must walk before it can fly. That's why it's called the Y. All right, your multiplicative and additive rules. We're still going to be using rubies as our strategy to answer our questions. Read the problem, underline the keywords, barf up what you know, identify the question, eliminate answers, and then solve. And yesterday we learned that we still need to know how to add and subtract fractions. We need to make sure that we have matching denominators. In order to do that, that's called the least common multiple. We do that by finding multiples of the denominators. For instance, this is the denominator in 1/2 is 2, and the denominator in 1/3 is 3. The least common multiple on this is going to be 6. We get that by multiplying 1/2 by 3/3, which gives us 3/6. And then we multiply 1/3 by 2/2, and that gives us 2/6. We can go ahead and subtract 3/6 minus 2/6 equals 1/6. Guys, you're going to be using all that information so that we can go ahead and practice on the STAR test again today. We're going to be practicing on this. You're going to click on that star or on the link that the teacher has given you. You're going to wait to get there. Once we get in there, you're going to see that you're going to take the test. What we're going to do is look at this here. Just tell me I'm still open over here on this one. Yes, let me leave there. All right. I'm in 5th grade. I'm going to be doing the math. No P and P. Take the test. It's going to take you to the directions, give you about a minute so that you can look them over. Make sure you're well acquainted with them so that the time comes when we are taking the test, you know what's happening. So I'm pausing here, get into the testing. Make sure you stop where it says stop. You have 1 minute. Excellent, excellent. Welcome back, scholars. Hey, I'm going to go ahead and go to question 2. And I'm going to give you about 3 minutes to go ahead and use the tools that we learned yesterday to help you answer this question. Is it going to be the guideline, the eliminator, the pencil? Which of the 3 will you use, or will you use all 3? I'll see you in about 2 minutes. Pausing the video here. Welcome back. I hope that you said you will be using the eliminator because you're looking which comparison is not true. I know that 3 and 375 thousandths is larger than 3 and 275 thousandths. So I'm going to eliminate that. I know that 6 and 875 thousandths is less than 6 and 9 tenths. So I'm going to go ahead and eliminate that. also know that 7 and 675 thousandths is smaller than 7 and 75 hundredths. So I can eliminate that, leaving me that it's staying here that 200 or 2 and 65 hundredths is greater than 2 and 675 thousandths. That is not true. That is the correct answer. Hopefully that's what you got. All right. Wanted to make sure that you got some practice in there. I'm going to want you to go ahead and go to this next question. No, I'm going to wait on this question. Let's go ahead and go back to our next video.